Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. Today we're going to be practicing a few movements that will help with core strengthening post-pregnancy. Your pelvis and your core take time to recover after pregnancy. When we're talking about the core, we're talking about the lumbar spine, your hips, and your pelvis. So going straight away into ab exercises and a hardcore workout may actually do more damage than help you. Instead, focus on smaller, more controlled and focused movements, and this will help you to actually work the inner layers of your core and will give you strength not just for the time being but for long term as well. Let's begin with today's practice. We're going to start lying down, feet hip width apart, knees bent. Let your spine stay neutral. We're going to start first by establishing a connection to the core muscles using your breath. Inhale, and you just imagine that inhalation going down your throat into the chest and really opening up your ribs and belly. Now as you exhale, you consciously draw your pelvic floor up, like you're consciously sucking the belly in and flushing that air out of the body. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale. The ribs, belly opening up. Exhale, you start to draw the pelvic floor up. You're squeezing in through the vaginal muscles, up, flushing the air out. 1 more time. Inhale. Exhale, start to draw up the vaginal muscles, your pelvic floor, drawing the lower belly in, allowing the back to rest on the floor, completely empty out. Inhale and relax. We're going to do this 2 more times. This time after the exhalation, we're going to suck the belly in and make sure the lower back is rested on the floor and you're not arching the back. And you're going to tilt and hold that position. Stop breathing for 5 counts. Let's try. Inhale. Exhale, drawing the pelvic floor up, sucking the belly in. Exhale completely. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, relax. Exhale completely from the lower belly. So drawing the pelvic floor up. When you start to visualize it, you will establish that connection. You start to feel it working. Complete exhalation, lower back towards the floor. Your pelvis is tilted. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale and relax. Super. Now we're going to keep that tilt in the pelvis. So you're not going to arch your lower back. Instead, you're going to keep the lower spine towards the floor, drawing the pelvic floor up. So keep the lower abdomen engaged. Now as you inhale, see if you can slowly slide your right heel forward without any other change in the position of the pelvis. Exhale, slide it back. Inhale, slide the left heel forward. Slow and controlled, there's no rush. Exhale, slide it back. Inhale, right heel forward. Exhale, slide it back. Inhale, left heel forward. When you do this, make sure you're not arching the back. Keep that control in your lower abdomen. Exhale, slide it back. Inhale, right heel forward. Slide it slowly and see if you can hold it there now. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale, left heel forward, slowly sliding it forward. You can use maybe a sock to prevent any kind of resistance from the floor. Hold it here for 1, 2, 3. Exhale and you're going to slide it all the way back. Inhale, relax. Take a normal inhale. Exhale completely. Now if you found these two very easy, you can start to increase how many repetitions you're doing on each side and also increase the hold. Once that starts to get easy, you can move on to the next level. For this one, you're going to lift your feet off the mat. So first you need to bring awareness to the pelvis. Take an inhale. Exhale and draw up your pelvic floor, lower abdomen engaged. And now you're going to keep the spine that way and lift your knees up. Okay? When you do this, don't let your belly bunch up. Instead, suck it in nicely towards the floor. Okay? As you inhale, just drop the right toes down. Exhale, up. Inhale, left toes down. Exhale, up. Inhale, right toes down. Exhale, up. Inhale, left toes down. Exhale, up. Inhale, right. Exhale, up. Last one. Inhale, left. Exhale, up. Slowly release. We're starting with just 3 on each side. As it gets more comfortable, you can increase it, go up to 10 and maybe even do 2 sets to actually start to work the lower belly. Next one, once this starts to get comfortable, you're going to keep the left foot on the floor. Again, keep your pelvis neutral. You establish that connection first. The first exercise that we did, establishing the connection, is the base for all the other movements that you're doing. Now, once that is in place, you're going to lift the right leg all the way up towards the ceiling. Inhale, bring it straight down without arching the back. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale, straight down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Now this last time you try to hold off the floor for 1, 2, relax the shoulders, make sure you're not tensing the upper body, rest. And 3, exhale, lift it up. Then you can bend the knee and slowly bring your foot back to the floor. You're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Notice that when you're working with your pelvis, the rest of the body is relaxed. There's no strain in the neck. You're not lifting your chin up. Use a cushion underneath your neck if you need to. Keep the rest of the body absolutely at ease. You'll repeat the same thing on the left side as well. Once this also starts to become very easy, you're going to lift both your knees off the floor. Extend one leg up and repeat the same. Inhale down, no change in the position of the pelvis. Exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale up. Rest of the body relaxed. Inhale down. We'll try to hold here for 3 counts. Exhale up. Bend the knee and you'll repeat the same to the left side. Bring both your feet down. The last one we're going to do today is you're going to tilt the pelvis, and keeping the pelvis neutral, you press your palms and feet and lift the hip up into a bridge pose. So you're not flaring your belly, you're actually doing a very controlled movement. It can go up very slightly. Inhale, lift it up, squeeze the glutes. Exhale, back down. Again, you want to realign? Go ahead, realign, draw the pelvic floor up, draw your abdomen up. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more. Inhale, lift up. Let's hold 1, 2, 3. Exhale, slowly come back down. Hug the knees in. Allow your knees to open up. Just place your palms on the knees and open very gently and close. And now you're going to do this the opposite direction as well. 1, 2 and 3. Once you're done, you can do a simple twist side to side, rolling on your back, and come back to the center and stretch your legs out into Shavasana. Before we move on with the practice, know that every pregnancy is different, so the recovery will also be different. So do consult your doctor or your physician before getting on with this practice. Also, if you have any specific conditions post-pregnancy, you must consult a specialist to get those addressed. There are a few movements that you can safely practice to establish a connection to your core first and then start to build and sustain the strength. I really hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.